Hey, how's it going? Austen Mengler here, artist and illustrator from Perth, and I love drawing monsters. If you haven't seen my work already, I do a whole mix of different stuff. Fan artwork of my favorite characters turned into nightmare fuel, as well as science fiction, horror, and fantasy monsters. The awesome thing about doing my own thing is that I get to share my artwork with the world. I've been touring around Australia doing conventions. I've been a backer on Patreon myself for many years, doing a lot of support for artists I love. And now I've decided to make my own, where you can, for as little as $1 a month, put towards my art and help me put out more work in progress, more behind the scenes stuff, and get more things published. With this Patreon campaign I'm putting together, I'll be able to release a lot of behind the scenes stuff to a lot of my existing artwork, as well as a lot of new work that hasn't been seen before. There's Photoshop time-lapse, lots of layered files so you can see how I create the artwork, as well as high-resolution JPEGs and wallpapers. Definitely check out a lot more below, and any support is super appreciated. I'll be seeing you sometime soon at a con hopefully, and otherwise check you out online. Thanks so much guys, and I hope you have a good one.